Hi, everyone. Welcome back for another episode. Recently got paid again. So we're just going to go in and take a peek. Let me just get on in and log in. All right, let's just log in here. All right, so we're going to be investing the next $500 into the system. I recently got paid. That was last week, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, transfers here on 11/14 for 500. I rolled my puts. So now I did roll my puts up. So let's just take a peek at that as well. Let's go back in. And currently our net account value is $2,854. Available for withdrawals 857. The put is up by 19% right now that I purchased. I am just going to hold on to that. Soxal trade is down. Let's just go take a peek at that for a second. So I purchased it at the top. The plan called for on a monthly chart with an SMA of 12. If it's up the second time it's up, you purchase. Right now it fell. We're going to continue to hold this as a monthly chart. You sell once you close below the 12. So that's what we're going to keep on doing there. We're just going to hold on to that and keep that up. So we're going to deposit. But let me just go and bring this over. Okay, so portfolio pillars. So we have our main income core, which is CLM, CRF, GOF. Our yield machine, I currently have YMAX, AMZY, PLTY, MSTY. I have a number of optionals that I listed here, including some granted shares. Steady growth SPYG, but there's also optionals in VOO, VTI, and a number of others. Acceleration plays TQQQ, UPRO, and SOXL with some optionals, and our protective hedges. Right now I purchase puts on the QQQ, but also you can purchase a put on the SPY. You can utilize your inverse ETF funds like SQQQ or SPXU. So let us go in. Now I am using the new strategy that we talked about. So let's just go in and take a peek at that. Hold on. Okay, so we're going to use the aggressive strategy. So strategy number 2. So we're going to add $250 per month in bills every 3,000 increase. So from where we're at now, we're at 500 per month in bills. When we get to 5K, we're going to do $750 per month in bills. At 8K, we're going to do 1,000. At 11K, we're going to do 1.25K. At 14, 1.5K, and so on and so forth until we hit our top amounts, 3,500, which I'm probably going to amend that as well as we go forward. So we'll figure that out as we go forward. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to purchase some of these here. So let's take care of this, okay? So let's just go into our E-Trade account. Now I'm going to purchase, hold on, let's make this a little smaller just for now, just so we can see what we're purchasing. So I'm going to go with CRF. So CRF, and we're going to buy $100 worth. So calculate our quantity, $100, enter. And we're going to do that on market, preview, place order. We're going to do also, instead of YMAX, let us put in, can't believe I just lost that other sheet. There we go. There's one thing I like more from Windows. You can make it a little easier. Anyway. Okay, so let's view our portfolio now. I just want to pull this over just a little bit more so we see. So instead of YMAX, let's use granted shares instead. Hold on, let's go in and let's go find, what about AAPLX? So for granted shares, let's figure out what it is. So granted shares, I agree. And let's just take a look. Yield boost. So let us go with AMD. We got Bitcoin, coin. Bitcoin is down right now too. BTC. We could do Bitcoin, something that we could add on with. We could use OARC as well. We have a lot of choices here we could do. And I'm looking on a monthly chart, just so you know. I filter down from the higher charts. I like to look at a monthly chart. Everything is going to show down. We could do Meta as well. There's a number of choices here that we could use. And everything, just because of where we're at, everything is going to be down, obviously. NVIDIA, I'm going to say, let us go with NVYY. So let's do that. So NVYY. Did I not click on that? So buy. We're going to calculate. We're going to do 100 there. And we're going to do market. Preview order. Place order. Okay. SPYG. Let's take a look at that one too. So SPYG. Yep, just what we expect though. We're having a down day. So SPYG. Buy. Calculate. You know what? We're going to do one share. So one. Preview order. Well, let's change because we need to do market. Preview. Place order. So now we did. So AMZY. Granite shares. We could do AZYY. See how we do there. So let's do that. AZYY. So ZYY. And let's just take a peek at that too, just while we're here. AZYY. Okay. And we'll have to see how that goes. Let's look at a weekly chart just to see. Because it hasn't been open very long. And it's a weekly payer. So let's put into that one AZYY. So AZYY. Buy. We're going to calculate 100. We're going to do his market, preview, place order. Good. Okay, let's go back to trading. PLTY, Palantir. I don't know that Granite Shares had a Palantir equivalent. Tesla, SPY, SMCI, QQQ, NVIDIA, Meta, MSTR, gold miners, coin, Bitcoin. Let's stick with PLTY also. We're just going to stick with that one. And let's do $100. Market, preview, place order. Okay, and let's just go to the account. Okay, so we put in our orders. Let's see, so we have $788 available for withdrawal. Let's look at our margin. So currently, my margin, let's look at balances. So currently, detailed. So margin equity is 71% right now. So I think that's going to be it for today. And then we'll just continue to make a plan. So you saw what we did today. We purchased a few different tickers. Everything's down on the market right now. My account is down. Let's see. So what are we at? We have a loss on this account of 9%. Today's unrealized is down 1%. All right. Thank you for joining me today. We'll continue to keep updating this, and I'll talk to you soon.